Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A18 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the sound and vibration. And that was a misclick. Sound and vibration, of course. Then let's scroll down to find this section with the ringtone and the notification sound and tap on the first option. Here we've been transferred to the full list of available options from which we can choose. They are pre-installed, or you can simply set the custom option. You can tap on this device option and you can be transferred to your music or recording, so you can download something or record yourself and then set it as a ringtone. But I will pick something from the pre-installed ones, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you'll have to basically tap on it. And you will be able to hear it and decide whether you like it or not. And if you find the one you'd like to set, just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.